Hey YouTube, long time no see. Haven't done a video in a really long time. Last one y'all saw was when my car got wrecked. So yeah, what did I end up replacing it with? Well, I did have a 2017 Ram 1500 for a little bit as my rental. So I got I was really impressed with the quality that Dodge and Chrysler have put forth in the recent years. So I went ahead and got this. It's a 2015 Dodge Dart. Now, the Dart is the cheapest car in Dodge's lineup, or was the cheapest car in Dodge's lineup. And yeah, it can definitely shows. I mean, there's a lot of cheap materials in the car, but you know what? I'm quite happy with it. Now, do I see myself having this for as long as I saw myself having the Corolla? Honestly, no. I really do like the car. It's the SE trim with the Rally package. So it's got the dark wheels. It's got the blacked out headlights, black grille, all that nice stuff. But for all intents and purposes, it's the base model. But yeah, I don't see myself having it for too long. It's a $12,000 car, although really it's only worth about $8,500 as it sits right now. And it's not in the best shape, but it's pretty good. So go ahead, go over it, start it up, let you guys hear it, and yeah. So here it is. Now you've got the nice blacked out projector headlights. That's my first car with projector headlights. They work pretty great actually. I was real impressed with it. Got pulled over this morning because I didn't have that on the front of the car. I had it in the window, which apparently isn't enough. So I went ahead and put it on, especially since I'm going up to Dallas, not this Sunday, but the next Sunday, to meet up with Ryan Garrett. He's coming into town, he's coming to Texas, so I wanted to go ahead and meet up with him. So just to be on the safe side, threw the plate on the car. Now, it's got the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder, so it is the 2-point slow, but it's not terrible. It's got these gunmetal gray rims, which are dirty as hell, even though I just washed the car. We've got a lot of issues with pollen and just dirt everywhere. Let's go ahead and unlock the car. Now, this doesn't have the keyless entry either. It's got the Mercedes Air key. So, okay. The interior, I got some Goodyear mats. The car's pretty filthy on the inside, but yeah. So, got some trash in here too. I need to clear out, but it's not bad. The rear leg room is awful, but you know, luckily I'm not in the back. Let's get in it real quick. It's got 55,790 miles, which is, you know, it's a bit for 2015, but not too bad. Make sure that's all the way down. Too bad. Go ahead and huge glove box. Basic radio, which I kind of want to get a new head unit for it. These cars are such a pain in the butt to replace the radio. I'd have to have a shop do it. And that's not exactly high on my priorities, because I have a few other things I want to do to the car. So I'll come back to start it up in a little bit. Now, back seats, I got a couple jackets. I was working the freezer at my store, and well, negative temperatures are not my friend. So, but yeah, you guys can see there's like no leg room. That's my seating position. Yeah, so it's got these straps here you can pull forward to go into the trunk. It's nice. Close her up. Speaking of the, I've got a tinted plate protector too. Go ahead, trunk, decent size. There's some crap in the trunk, but yeah, it's actually pretty nice inside. The previous owner removed this liner. Why, I have no idea, but it will actually make it easier if and when I get one of the mods I want to get for the car. So yeah, it's nice. I like the LED tail lights. It's got standard halogen headlights, but there's plenty of room in there to put some HIDs or LEDs in the future. So without further ado, let's go ahead and fire her up. This is the weird key spot. Now the exhaust sounds good, but still too quiet for me, so I'll probably get a Summit Racing catback. It's fairly affordable for this car. This is outlet exhaust. So yeah, automatic down driver window. It's nice. Got tint all the way around. The rest of the windows are just powered, that's it. So yeah, sorry for the terrible quality that is this video, but I haven't done one in a while, and I figured I'd do one over my car since, you know, I haven't done one, and I figured somebody might be interested in it. It is the 6-speed auto with manual gear selection, or the slapstick, whatever you want to call it. I went ahead and got this from AutoZone because well, the USB port here in the center storage just doesn't provide enough power to charge a phone. So I've got this plugged in, and since it only has one power outlet in the car, this has two. It's a splitter basically to get 2 power outlets and 2 USB ports. And I've also got a dash cam right there. So yeah, just thought I'd go ahead and make this video. It's been a long while. I don't really do YouTube too much. Too busy with work. You know, trying to make it. You know, got big plans for the future. So trying my best to make that happen. Thank you guys for watching. I just managed to drop something. Oh, my can of Ozium. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.